How to change Instagram icon. Want to refresh your Instagram look? You can change the app icon in seconds. So first, make sure you've updated Instagram to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. So go ahead and open the Google Play Store if you're using Android, and then head over into the search tab. And then using the search bar, look for Instagram. And then on the results, go ahead and click on Instagram and make sure to find an open button instead of an update button to ensure that your app is updated. Open Instagram, and then in here, once you click on this Instagram text, you should be able to find an option to change your icon. Now, take note that this actually is only possible if you have a teen account on Instagram. Now, if you have an account of legal age on Instagram, you won't be able to find that option to change your Instagram icon. And that is how you can basically change Instagram icon.